A good recipe does not just consist of nice ingredients. It consists of devotion, effort, and patience. A lot of patience, like the time it takes to turn ground grain into an egg. We watch millions of organisms work together until they produce ripe vegetables. We have to give nature all the time it needs and wait patiently while our seeds develop. In the end, a good meal is not just about the ingredients. It tells a story about the seasons, the weather, and about the time and devotion required to produce it. Buy local and buy our love for wholesome ingredients.